And but rather than writing a talk song of the 40s or the 50s or whatever, you know, that big era of talk, whenever that big era of talk songs was, I thought I'd put one in with some, write one with some kind of contemporary references. For those of you who weren't big fans of grunge in the 90s, Siamese Dream is a record by the Smashing Pumpkins, and that's going to really help the first two lines of the song. Okay, hope you enjoy it.
Everybody's had one of those girls. Everybody would know it's true. To the soundtrack of Siamese Dream, or whatever the young folks are listening to. The curtain, just a touch and it blossoms. It isn't a rosebud, no, it's a little carnation. So you're pouring it out, 'cause your heart is still working. Back then you opened your eyes when you walked into damnation. Everybody would know for sure. When you met him, he gave you the world. And when he left, he took so much more. Blood and passion fading to grey. The back end of your love affair was pouring away. Well, that's one journey you want to make again. You've been thrown off the rails by this lachrymose train. And everybody shed tears over someone. Someone too foolish to see what you're worth. Don't you know that's where rivers come from? And the water covers 2/3 of the earth. Everybody's been somebody's sweetheart. For some that they know, some that they don't. And for a little while, they were totally loved. They were somebody's world. Everybody's been one of those boys. Somebody's world, Everybody's been one of those boys. Everybody's been one of those girls. Thank you very much. This next song, I turned 30 very recently, about 6 weeks ago actually. And needless to say, that's a difficult age. That's a difficult age for any young man to reach and realise he's no longer a young man. Thanks, Alex. How old are you, Alex? You're older than 30? Wow. Well, your opinion doesn't count. You're just an old guy. This is kind of a song that I think was inspired by my, midlife crisis. Whatever you want to call it, menopause. You don't have to love very hard to find people who tell you how you should be living. So I add my voice to the discordant chorus like chimney smoke, proudly uprising. Life is a dream from which we'll one day awake. And the man most likely abrupt and profoundly surprising. So wash the sleep from my eyes, for one day I'll have to wait. Wash the sleep from my eyes, for one day I'll have to wait. I think of those people who cut their own throats accidentally, catching the rays on walls or a calcitrant stone. They must have chanced to die older and lonelier eventually. And to think there are those who say life's but a pitiless struggle. Wash the sleep from my eyes, for one day I'll have to wait. The stream of a world rewards mediocrity, lies and brutality, flight from reality. Poets and people that speak rationality provide me a sliver of hope. Please rain down your ribbons and furloughs on your dumbfounded progeny, who if they wander lament the glacier that's holding them by their paddly toes. Wash the sleep from my eyes, for one day I'll have to wait. Wash the sleep from my eyes, for one day I'll have to wait.
I was going to do another really miserable song, but I don't. Let's do something a bit cheerful. I've got another miserable one on the way. So, this is kind of a fairy tale. I like the song. I just like the kind of, there's like a little nursery rhyme structure going through it. It's about, so, I don't know how to explain this one. Came in my window, your midnight calls, your rattles and rumbles, for one day you'll lose her. The shock from my lungs, above all the pure sorrow. And up when my dreams gone and were lost, filled up my ears with your lasses, paraffin, saltpeter, Phoenix's ashes, and the match struck out one struck to my cause. And up when my dreams all and were lost, the 2 hours, as wide as the river, everything jeweled in an icicle sliver. Well, I saw you there, lying and sleeping, and still I closed the window to take off the chill. All warmth turned to steam, last of the frost. And up when my fears all and were lost, and up when my fears all and were lost, and up when my fears all and were lost, and up when my fears all and were lost. Thank you very much. Let's swap over to the piano. Can you, you welcome to the stage, please, Mr. Alex Chris Tansey. What's your second name, Alex? What's your second name, Alex?
Scaturo.
Please welcome to Mr. Alex Scaturo. Big round of applause, please. That's a new song, so that's going to be my big single. Watch out for that one. also quite a gloomy Tom Waits song, but it's one I really like. It's one of the sort of 2 or 3 pieces I can play on the piano. I can't play chopsticks if you want. This is a wonderfully kind of like apocalyptic track. We're kind of Old Testament stuff, and so that kind of seems appropriate to church. This is off his 1992 record Bone Machine. If you're looking for Tom Waits record, I would heartily recommend that. Running and not walking to the shops to buy them. So I'd like to do some really nice got a lot of bass riffs when I get the chords wrong. So keep an eye here for that. I'm sorry about this cough. I'm not quite this on. I've had this cough for like 2 weeks and it's really playing havoc with. I haven't smoked for ages. When you went out there, I was sat there like a good boy drinking my Coca-Cola. Let's try this. We're going to start on the. I guess it's going to look like a chorus for the first one. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's see how this goes. Dream of love and a dream of lies. We're all gonna be in the same place when we die. Spirit, don't be blowing your face or your name. The wind through your bones, it is all that remains. And we're all gonna be, yeah, I said we're all gonna be, yeah, I said we're all gonna be, yeah, I said we're all gonna be just dead in the ground. Krill from a wood, blood rises red. I wanna know my skies are red. Hell's boiling over, heaven's full. We're chained to the earth, and we're all going to pour. And we're all gonna be, yeah, I said we're all gonna be, yeah, I said we're all gonna be, yeah, I said we're all gonna be just till the ground. Cain slew Abel, killed him with a stone. Sky cracked open, and thunder groaned. And on this river of flesh, can these dry bones live? Take a king or a beggar, and the answer he gives is we're all gonna be, yeah. So, could you know, this is going to be my last song. Thank you very much for listening, and I'd like to welcome to the stage for this last track my keyboard player for the evening, Mr. Please give a very warm welcome to Mr. Timothy Eaglet. Trusted running force, arms full of mud and straw, pushing it together to make those great big walls. An armful full of sand slips upon the table, and your skin is rough and broken, so a little blood will fall, a little blood will fall, a little blood will fall into the bricks. Believe it or not, a single hit. Thank you very much for listening. And big round of applause for the band.